There was a delightful a frame without a picture. There were blind eyes, famous for the fascinating sculpture. There were dusted rooms decorated by violins. There were recorded regrets during the teasing silence. There were new worlds discovered by inventions. There were social diseases caused by preventions. There was injustice selected by the nation. There was doomsday wearing the mask of fashion. There was mismanagement during the management of time. There was wastage of time during the division of time. There was protest, a competition between poor and the richest. There was just a spark enough for eating the forest. There was fear scorching the tail. There were shrinking patients. Well, why should we kill? There was a progressing world allowing the normality. There was a school of human beings meeting the humanity. There were flying costumes without their feathers.